In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover access to your Yahoo email account. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need a quick reset, stick around because we're going to make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. First off, you'll need to go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. You can easily find this by navigating your web browser to the site at login.yahoo.com/forgot. This page is designed to assist anyone having trouble accessing their account. Once you're on that page, you'll see a prompt where you should enter your Yahoo email address. This is the address you normally use to log in and access your emails. After you've typed that in, go ahead and click the Continue button. Next up, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to recover your account. Yahoo provides options for this, usually either through an alternate email address or via a phone number that you've linked to your account previously. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you can reset your password by verifying your identity through one of these recovery methods. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Once you've made your choice, Yahoo will send a verification code to the contact method you selected. Keep an eye out for this code in your alternate email inbox or as a text message on your phone. It should arrive pretty quickly, but if it doesn't appear immediately, make sure to check your spam or junk folders just in case it got misdirected. After receiving the code, enter it into the prompt on Yahoo's site. This verification step is a security measure to confirm your identity, so entering the code accurately is necessary to proceed. Once you've entered the correct code, Yahoo will then guide you through additional prompts. This typically includes an opportunity to reset your password. Choose a new password that's strong and secure, ideally a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure it's something memorable, yet difficult for others to guess. After resetting your password, or once steps to regain access are completed, you're one step away from accessing your account again. Simply use your new credentials to sign in to your Yahoo account. It's as easy as that. This process not only helps you regain access to your emails, but also secures your account with a new, robust password. So there you have it, a concise yet thorough guide to recovering your Yahoo account. This should help take the stress out of those moments when logging in feels like more of a hassle than it should be. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Until next time.